The New York Auto Show officially opening to the public on Friday, and our very own Phil LeBeau got a little sneak peek of the action. So, Phil, you spoke to the Jaguar Land Rover CEO?
Yeah, you know, Ralf Speth is an interesting guy, and basically the question I had is, who was talking to who first? Did you approach Waymo? Did Waymo approach you when it comes to developing and building these 20,000 self-driving, all-electric Jaguar I-Paces that'll start coming out in 2020? He basically said, we found each other. Look, there's partnerships, and it was a natural fit for Waymo. It wasn't like they were going to go to General Motors. And I think it's a pretty smart choice for them because it's a brand new vehicle. It's all electric, which is what you want in terms of your rideshare services. So he had an interesting perspective. Here's what he had to say in terms of what they think about the future when it comes to the I-Pace.
Autonomous drive in the future will need joint ventures, partnerships in between government, academia, but also industry and across the industry. And you look for a similar mindset. And you also look for people and companies who are leading in their respective field. And so the partnership between Jaguar and Land Rover and Waymo is an ideal combination to go ahead and are leading on the way into the autonomous future.
The key phrase there, go with the leader. Waymo is clearly the leader when it comes to self-driving technology right now.
You know, amidst all this bloodbath in this autonomous space in terms of the chips, for instance, that have really sold off, you know, NVIDIA had an analyst meeting just yesterday, and they had this target, which struck me as interesting timing, 100 million self-driving cars, 10 million robo-taxis by 2025. 2025.
Yowza. 10 million?
Yeah.
I mean, let's just look at the United States. There's 275 million vehicles out on the road right now. I have not come across anybody who believes by 2025 that you're going to see several million self-driving vehicles, let alone 10 million. Now, I mean, I know they're talking globally, worldwide, but that is highly ambitious.
Excuse me.
Day 3 of Phil LeBeau here at Fast Money Record. Phil, what was the coolest car you saw out there?
Well, I like the Audi RS5 Sportback. Ooh, you know, when you talk about the New York Auto Show, you're talking about your luxury models that, look, they're limited numbers that are built. You're not looking at your mass market numbers. And that's one of those that's pretty darn impressive.
What was so cool about it? What was so impressive? I mean,
I think, first of all, I think Audi has it right now in terms of the styling and in terms of the performance. And the RS5 Sportback, I think, well, I haven't had a chance to drive it. When I do, I can't wait.
Hey there, thanks for checking out CNBC on YouTube. Be sure to subscribe to stay up to date on all of the day's biggest stories. You can also click on any of the videos around me to watch the latest from CNBC. Thanks for watching.